Ready? Ready, ready. Double zero wheel. American roulette. From double zeros. Oh, 668. Gonna try something a little different today. We're going this way. Looking for arrows. But I decided to do it just a little bit differently. A couple videos back, I arranged some numbers down here so they would. 17 is the first number. I arranged a bunch of numbers down here so to force 17 to force arrows to come out. But look here, I'm going to go like this. Ready? I'm going. Well, no, that's not true. I'm not. It might look like I'm going this way if you tune in late, but I'm going this way. What comes out after 17? 7, 27. I'm going to do this whole column. 7. Ooh, right next to it. That's a 20. Right? I'm going to roll 10 numbers here. Then I'm going to go over here. Then I'm going to go over here. And I'm going to see if I get a 17 here or a 20 or whatever. See if I can force these arrows. What is it? 14. 14. I haven't ever tried this yet, but why not? I got to start here because I have to tuck them. I got to tuck the numbers in under there, and it's just impossible to do with another card here. That's why I started here. Plus, I got space. It might work. Well, we're going to find out. 14, 7, 22. See if we're going to get the Simply Stupid numbers coming out. Like, well, my favorite after 22 is 2. That's not a Simply Stupid. I'm talking about a 7 after 14, you know, or 28. Stuff like that. 22, 11, ooh, 33, double digits. Or maybe even a double zero. No, oh. That's a 20. Back to 20. All right. 4. 11. 10. 30. The number 30 after 20. The number 30 after 20. No. 3. So if you're playing at home, these will be the first 10. These will be the second 10. If you want to keep them in order. How about, oh look, there's my 33. After 3, sure it is. The 3s coming at you. 33. Seven and 1 is the old system. More of the 3s. 3, 13, 23, 30, 33. Or now my double digits. How about 36? Oh, I love 36 after 33. There we went 36, not 30. Ooh, almost a greener. Almost a green one. That's a 2. Okay. Four, 22, 1. Not gonna be 1. Oh, it might be 1. Might be 1. Oh wow, right on by 24. 24. Oh, I gotta sneeze. Oh boy, come on now. No. 22, 9, 28, after 24. Now 28. Back to 14. Subtracting by 10. There you go. 14. There you go. There's your first 10 numbers. There's your first 10 numbers. Now we're going over here. So I'm going to be considering this a jumper just for the meantime. Just for the fun of it. So 17 and its neighbors by 2 and 14. Nowhere near. Opposite side of the wheel. 6. All right. 20. 2 of its neighbors. And a repeater 6. And if you want to play a neighbors of 6, I wouldn't. I usually don't, but I think I should start. Yeah. Oh, look at this. This is a 9 after 6. Oh my, that's one of the chosen few. 9 after 6. All right, whatever. 18 or the old system, 24, 31. 31, 10 after 9. Okay. I wanted 14 in its neighbors, by the way. 10. This number and this number, I would prefer to be one number apart from each other. It hasn't happened yet. 22 and its neighbors by 2. 22 and its neighbors. That's a 30. It's not happening yet. 30. Yeah, 30 after 10. Sure it is. What comes out after 30? 20. I see it all the time. I try to bring it to your attention to keep your eye out for it. Repeater 30 likes to hit itself in my world back to back and then go 20 neighbors by 2. No. Oh, what comes out after 30? 31. Sure it does. 31. Sure. Nothing's jumping out at me here. 22. 5, 17, 9. No. Nothing real close. Ugh. 34. Ooh. 34. Right. 34 was, we're playing just a little bit weird. So it would have been repeater 31, 3 neighbors by 2. And that's a 34. Okay. 34. What comes out after 34? 34. Ooh. 3. 34 and 3. Here we go. Here's the very first one. There's a 15 right here. There you go. 15. We're going to have to keep that in mind in the future. What's that? That's a 27. 27. That's the best part right there. When they happen to come out in the same row. Bang, like that. 34 and 3. Right? There's a 15 right there between them as you go around the wheel. Right there. $19. Okay. 19. 19. 29 and 31. No. What do we want? 24 and its neighbors. Or yeah, 24 its neighbors by 2 and a repeater 19. 24 and its neighbors by 2, and that's a 10. No. 10. Thought I'd have more of them by now. 10. 20. No. Double zeros? No. 14, neighbors by 2, and a repeater 10. Repeater 10. Oh. 12. 12. All right, there's 20 numbers right there. Now we're going over here. And actually, we should be, well, we're doing neighbors and neighbors. 17 in its neighbors, 6 in its neighbors, and a 12 repeater. No, that's a 1. 1. Let's see if I can catch a bullet. Catch the... I need to catch another arrow. What's up 14? What am I missing here? 0, 23? No. 9 and 20 neighbors, and a repeater 1. No, that's 15. 15. No. 10, 14, 15. Another 1. Back to 1. Oh. Back to 1. Here we go. Yeah, that'll work. 1. That will work. I'm going to want a 1 here. 1 here, 1 here. I'm either going to want a 1 here or here, because I got to fill in both of these empty columns here. 22, 30 neighbors, and a repeater 1. 1. Repeater 1. There you go. 1 repeating. There you go. Oh, what comes out after 1? 1, 11, 21, 31. Watch it be 13, and I'm going to get it. Oh, here we go. Not 13. Look at that. Darn it. 11 after 1. 1, 11, 21, 31. Perfect. 11. Neighbors of 20 by 2. 11, 20. Right next, close enough on the wheel, the hat to grab. 20 and its neighbors by 2. What's it going to be? No, not 34. Okay, that's an 8. Thank goodness it wasn't 34. 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. Well, I want a... That's a 6. Would have caught that 33. It's a neighbor of 33. Would have caught the neighbor of 33 by 2 with that 6. $19 in its neighbors, 2 in its neighbors, and a repeater 6. 26. No. 26. Oh, I almost just got my 9 again. Right next to 26 is 9. I almost got a 9 after 6 again. Oh. Come on. 10. 10 in its neighbors, 24 in its neighbors, and a repeater 26. Oh, there's a 9. There's my 9. A repeater missed by 1. There's my 9. Oh, boy. Okay, 9. Right next to 26. 12 and 14. Neighbors, 12 and 14, and a 9 repeat. Not going to be 9 repeater. It's a 4. I missed my neighbors of 14 by 1 pocket. 14. I want looking for a 23, but I get a 4. Okay. 4. Now. We're going right here. I want a 15 somewhere in these next 10 numbers. I haven't figured 24, 3. I get an 8 after 4. I get an 8 after 4. Simply stupid. 8. Okay, okay. Is there any other arrows that I'm missing here? 27, 20. I'm gonna 27. 2, no, a 15. I gotta get a 15 in here. Oh boy, look here. Single 0. That would have been nice if I got a 15 there, because that would have been in this row, which would have been a jumper. What I really haven't looked for is an arrow over here. 1, 15. 15 and 3 are right next to each other. What is that? Where's 21? 21. No. $17. 11 and 20. There's a 7 here. What's wrong with me? I know what's wrong with me. I can't see it fast enough. 14? No. 14. 11 and 20, right there, right in front of me. 33. 33 and 6. There's a 21 there. Wow. 33 and 6. There's a 21 between these two too. What is that? 36. All right. Still not 15 though. Looking for a 15, and it's looking for shooting for this arrow. 34 and 3 is 15. 34 and 3 is 15. I want 15 right now, and it's neighbors by 2. 15. Not going to be 15. It's a 9. That's a light toss. 9. 15 and 22 and 24. 15 and 22. There's a 3 in here as well. There's a 3. What's that? No, I'm not going to get my 15, am I? 13. I got 3 arrows in between these two numbers right here. 3, 7, 21. 3, 15 and 20. 3 is 15 and 24. 15 and 24. What do I want? I want 15. 26. 26 happens to be, yeah, it's in there. 26. It's a, if I would have kept these in the columns that I usually do, that's a jumper right there. Just jumped across. You're betting on 19, 2, and 26. And a repeater. So you got money on 26, and now it just came back and hit. Now you're winning. 15. I want my 15. There it went again. How about an 11? No. 11. No. I got one more shot at this. Come on. Come on. 15. Two neighbors on either side. Right there. Right on. Here it comes. Oh, there it went. No, not going to be 15. I'm not going to get it. It's a 35. Damn. 35. No. I just gave it a shot. Gave it a shot. Oh. Now, we're over here. I want a 3. I can't put it up there. There's no more space up there. I can put it right here. I want a 3, a 7. What is that? 16. Nope. 3, 7, 21. Betting on covering 3 numbers. If you want to knock down the neighbors on them, if you only want to go one number on either side, whatever. 16. No, it's not going to do it. It's a repeater though. That's 2 repeaters. 16. Here we go. 3, 7, 21. I gotta hit something. Let's go. I had 5 hits yesterday. Let's go. Got plenty of time to get 5 hits here. 19. No. Nope. 19. After 16, sure it is. It's on the card. That's one of the chosen few. Three, 7, or 21. 3, 7, 7, 29 after 19. What's it gonna be? Come on, I gotta hit this. I got 6 more shots at this. Let's go. Oh, yeah, buddy. There it is. 3, 7, or 21. There's my arrow. Dead hit. 21. Come on, let's got to keep this drive alive here. 21. Nice. You're covering 3 numbers. I got 45 numbers showing here. But those 3 are the ones I'm eyeing up. Got my eye on that. Give me a 7 or a 3. Right there's 3. Go back. No, that's a... Oh, what comes out after 21? 22. Damn. How many times is that now? 22. Up there by 3. Come on, let's go. Miss 22. Dump into 3. Miss 20. Dump up. No, that's an 8. No. 8. Well, I got 1. Let's go. 3 shots. 3 shots, 3 numbers. I got my 21 already. Let me get a 7 or a 3. There's 3 right there. And there's 7 right there. Right on by. Not going to make it. That's not going to make it. That's a 19. Nope, that's in that row right there. 19. You're covering. If you're not playing this game, then play the other game, jumping. You're covering 19, 26, 2. Well, I already got my 26s here. So now I got 19 and 19 in this row. So there's 2 times that the same number has come out. 19. 19. They're called jumpers. That's what I call them. Come on, 2 times. I got 2 more shots. I like it when I go the other way because it gives me more shots at it. 7 or 3 right now. There's not 7. That's a 6. No, that's 6. There's 49 numbers. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Shoot me off a comment if you like. Good luck with this set of numbers here. I just thought it would jump out at me faster if I left the gap between them so I wouldn't have to see them. 3. No, almost back to 6 again. It's a 21. And I just got a flip-flop jumper. Okay. I just got a flip-flop jumper. That 12 turns into 21 right there. That 12, you're covering 12, and then you see that and you say, oh, 21 flip-flop. 21. We're going over here. Why, I don't know, but let's see if I get my 7 and my 3. Come on. I'll probably get it right now, right? 7 or 3. There it is. 7 or 3. God, oh, come on. You know, you. Probably gonna get it right now. Yeah, 3. Day late and a dollar short. Oh, that's ridiculous. Watch. What am I going to get? Come on. Oh, wait a minute. What's wrong with me? I got a flip-flop jumper. And I was too thinking about the damn flip-flop jumper. That's another arrow. 21 and 21. And what do I get? Right next to, oh, 3. Neighbors by 2. 3. Neighbors by 2. That's another winner. 36. I didn't even see it. I got another hit on that arrow. That's 2 hits on 21. Wow. Like I always say, I'm standing right here. I see a lot of stuff. I'm worried about the ball. I'm worried about shooting the ball out of the... And I don't even see this stuff. What? Where are we? 27. Yeah, well, that's not going to do it. One more shot, because I love 21 after 27. It's, let's see, 27. Actually, it's not one of the chosen few. 7 or 17 is, and 4 and 20, but the number 21 loves to come out after 27 in my world. Nope, it's the 23, and that's going to do it. 23, there you go. A couple extra for you. 54 numbers. I got 2 hits on my 21, and I got that 3, and a 36 still fits in the program. 2 away. Yeah, there you go. Arrows. Looking for the arrows, checking out. Just keep track. Keep your eye on the ball. Watch your bankroll. Stay safe out there.